Good evening. I hope you found the first video so interesting and you're trying to play alongside with them. I still remain Mr. Williams Oinkachi, a staff of Jemima Chalks. We are still doing the introduction to video editing and how to, make animated tests to add text to your videos and to do some, amazing text animation and how to combine it with InShot app. Still on that, we are also going to use another app, the Power Director, in order to do what we did with InShot. I know in subsequent times we'll be doing more detailed editing class and more explanations of how to play around along with it. In as much as we have diverse different video editing, you can actually combine different video editing apps and how to make in a very amazing and very nice videos. Well, let's get started. Let's still go back to maybe the legend for writing. Okay, I click it. The legend. This was the last video we did. We can go back if I want to use it. Now, let's say we want to write. Let's say welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, normal as I told you in the first video, you after that you go to here the video have welcome. Okay, let's say I want to use this welcome. Let me say I want to use it welcome. I can play around with the different colors background and can say let me use something brighter. Can say let me use something dimmer depending on what you want to do. What make this so depending. I can say let me use something so cool. This look cool, not brighter, not shouty, but just okay. I just like it, but you can do something different. Or at the end, I can also okay. I save as video normally. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, I go back again. It is now saved. I want to add another text. We are trying to combine different animated text to produce a reasonable and meaningful video for anything you want to do. You can do something, add something. This is Folly Media presentations. Can add. We deal on maybe video editing, animations, graphic designing. Just create nice intro, which we're going to be creating after this video. And you can now say welcome to let's say video editing class. Okay, welcome to video editing class. Okay, let's say video editing class. You now go to the middle and you click it. Okay, you can just go to the max you want it. Let's say video editing class here, and okay, I can say I use tag. I can use this. I can use this. I can use this. I can use this. Okay, let's use this to video editing class. Good. Now I can now maybe let's change the font, the colors. I can say video editing class. I can say okay, let's use this video editing class. Okay, black but white. Okay, that look nice. To video editing class, I can add images, maybe images of video editing, or I decide not to add images. You can just play around with it. I go to still save as videos. I click it. It downloads and make something nice. Well, that looks okay. Okay, video editing class. I can decide to add another text. Say video editing class by Jemima Jocks. Good. Okay. I can decide to, make something out of it. Let's use this. I can play around with the colors, depending on what I want to do. We are still on introduction by Jim Hammer Chalks. You can say okay, we can set to use this. Okay. Let's use something brighter, something brighter, something brighter, something brighter. You can just look at it and know what you want. You can say let's use something brighter. Okay, I can say let's use white. Now I can now frame it the way I want it. Let's say I'm playing around with it. I can blink it by Jim Hammer Chalks. Editing class by Jim Hammer Chalks. Let's use something like this. By now, I go to save as video. I save it as video. Now, in the first class, we try to use InShot. Now we're going to be using. I've saved the 3 tests. I go to home. I go to another app. You look at it here, the Power Director. I open it. When I open it, it gradually opens. Now you can see premium for those that want to subscribe with money, but I don't want to subscribe. I want to use the free version. I go back to this arrow to go back. You can say okay, I have a new project. I go to new project. I click new project. I can have a title name. I can call it let's say Aboki. Let me call it Aboki. I know that look funny, but Aboki means my friend. I can choose the layout. I choose this layout 16:9. Good. So all done. I wait for it to go. Now it opens. It opens in this format. Now when it opens in this format, you can see here this thing means home. You go back to the home. Here means for you to be able to add images or to add let's say videos. You can also add music, but that is not what we are going to be doing. You can add write-ups, but we are trying to merge those letters. We use the Legend app to create. I go to the middle one. I can see videos, all the videos in my phone. This for images in my phone. This for the music in my phone. I want to add videos because I saved the legends with videos. Now you can see the legend already created an app. Okay, you see all the videos in legend. Let's look at it to know whether we are going to see it. Okay, legend. Look at legend here. I click it. So these are the videos and other things I've done with legend. You take them in precedence. From the first one, I say welcome. You click it. When you click it, you see a plus sign. You click the plus sign. It automatically drops to this point. So the next one should be following this. So you can click it. You can shift this. You see what I'm doing? I'm shifting it. I'm shifting it. I'll just shift it to this point so that the next one will come this area. So welcome to, I click this. I now go to plus. I click plus sign. It comes here. You look at it. Now I also shift it. At this point, even though you didn't shift it, it will automatically come to the next point. Jemima by Jemima. That's good. Now you can use play it here. Play it here. Welcome to video editing class by Jemima Chalks. Good. That is amazing. You see how I'm able to combine these videos. What we did with InShot app. Now you can see in between these videos, you see something like this, like a film. This is what they call transitions. Transitions and what you see flying that makes a very nice effect. It gives effect to videos. In between videos, it gives them effect, and it helps to introduce another slide of videos. So I can add transitions by just clicking at this white place. I click it. There are numerous transitions here depending on what I want to do. Okay, we have the balls. We will be doing this more in detail. If I click play, look at how the transition will be. I go back. But what I want to do is that I can just add any transition. You can play around with it. I want this video to be very short so that we can be doing the main thing we want to do. I go to the plus sign. Let's say I want to use these transition triangles. I click the plus sign. It automatically drops at this place. I go to the white, another white demarcation. I click it. I pick up another transition. I go to the plus sign. I click it. Good. Now let me play it. After that, I can now go to the arrow at the top left here. I click the arrow. It goes back to the way it is. Now I can now go to play. I click play. Welcome. You see the transition. You see what you just did. Good. That is nice. To video editing class. Editing class. Good. By Jemima Chucks. Wonderful. Thank you very much. We can play you can play around with it as well. So, but another thing that you can do to this again, you see what we call watermark. You see watermark because it is a free version. That's watermark, but you can remove this watermark in these videos by clicking it. You see, you have, when you click it, it comes this point. You click it, you now double click it again. Look at what will come out. You just go back. Now when I'm not connected to internet now, if I'm connected to internet, I'll show you how to remove this watermark. But meanwhile, to remove watermark, look at it. If you click it, they say pay premium. That means you need to pay, but I don't have money to pay. Most time you can leave it. I'll also show you later how to remove this watermark in a more professional way, in other ways. Thank you very much. I can now save. You look at the arrow on top here by the right. I click it. Good. You see produce video. I'm saving it to my gallery or SD card. I click it. I leave it there. This one's locked means that I have not paid. I'm okay with this. I go to produce. Don't mind this. You just go back. It's always save. You see saving. Remember the name I save it with, Abuki HD. Now after saving, it automatically goes to your download, and by then you have just produced something good. Thank you very much for this class. We'll be coming in with another video on more how to do your intros, so you can just practice with this. It has finished saving. I go to OK. I can go to view it. I go to my gallery. I go to my gallery, where it is, gallery, gallery, have many apps here. Go to my gallery. No, I'm going to see it. Okay. I'm going to see it in my legend, my Power Director videos. Okay, look at it, Power Director. It has, okay, I have some other ones here. Just click it. I play the video. You can see it will come. Welcome. You see, to video editing class by Jemima Chucks. Thank you very much. Always don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel Jemima Chucks, and also try to practice and post videos so we can look at it. Thank you.